What's up, YouTube? It's your man Big John with John Restoration. We're doing a black Impala for Nick, a 96 Impala SS. We're doing the seats right now. You look over here, this is the color of the seats. It's got like the apple type green with the black perforated inserts with the gray cord on them. That's what we did so far. Y'all look over here, we're going to show y'all what we started with. Believe it or not, he was sitting his ass on this. This is where he was sitting. This is how the seats look. So Chevy's really good because he really got his money out of these seats. This is all the old material. This is the cushion right here for one of the front seats. We go to the other front seat over here. We ain't taken it apart yet. But we got all the panels cut out for the seat. I'm gonna show y'all how he would ride. So this was a long time coming. Y'all ready? Wait, hold up. I don't want him to see this. I'm gonna get this dime that was stuck in the cushion and this penny right here. But this is Nick with the black Impala. This is how Nick was riding. We don't know what he was smuggling. But I just found 37 cents. That goes to the shop. So this is the seats. This is the material on the ground right here. Let y'all know we do what we do. This is perforated. You can see the back of it. This is the green material right here. Just to let y'all know, that's Nagaha material going in the vehicle. Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration. We ain't just a custom body shop. We do insurance claims. We do interior work. We do headliners, door panels, dashboards, everything. Convertible tops, vinyl tops. Alright? Whatever y'all need done, John Restoration can do it. 757-713-2277.